Hello, welcome to our third kindergarten math lesson. Last week we talked about story problems or word problems, and all of our story problems we used addition, which was joining two numbers together. But this time when we look at story problems, we are going to look at a different outcome. Something different is going to happen. We're actually going to be solving the story problems by taking some things away. So let me show you what I mean. If you ever need to go back to the other videos, you always can. That's where you can see it. Okay, so our first story problem is Angel has 8 balloons, but 3 of them pop. How many balloons are left? Angel has 8 balloons, but 3 of them pop. How many balloons are left? So let's draw a picture of what's happening in the story. So it says Angel has 8 balloons. Let me draw 8 balloons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Angel has 8 balloons, but 3 of them pop. So in our last set of story problems, I drew 3 more balloons, but in this story, is it telling me that there are 3 other balloons? No, it's saying that 3 of them popped. So what can we do to show that these balloons popped? They're not here anymore. I'm going to cross 3 of them out. There were 8 balloons, but 3 of them pop. 1, 2, 3. So those 3 balloons that I just crossed out have popped. Now the question is, how many balloons are left? How many did not pop? So let's see, can you figure out the answer by looking at the picture? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons are left. So I write the number 5 right here because 5 is my answer. 5 balloons are left, but then I actually have to write a number sentence that goes with the story. So who remembers how many balloons did we have at the beginning of the story? Before any of them popped, how many balloons were there? There were 8 balloons. And then what happened? There were 8 balloons in the beginning, and then what happened? Some of them popped. 3 of them popped. So did we put 3 more balloons in our picture, or did we take 3 balloons away or cross 3 balloons out? We crossed 3 of them out, which meant takeaway. So let me show you what a takeaway sign looks like. It's just a little line, takeaway sign. So we started out with 8 balloons, and now we're taking away how many? How many did we take away? How many popped? 3 of them popped. So 8, take away 3, and then we always have our equal sign. So we had 8 balloons. We took away 3, they popped, and our answer is 5. Right here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So think about our next story problem. It says, and you can imagine it in your head, there are 6 birds sitting on a branch. 6 birds sitting on a branch. 2 of those birds fly away. How many birds are still on the branch? There are 6 birds sitting on a branch. 2 of the birds fly away. How many birds are still on the branch? So let me draw a picture first of my birds. There were 6 sitting on a branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But then it said 2 fly away. Now, I can't make these birds fly away, but what can I do to show that 2 birds flew away? Are those 2 birds there anymore on the branch? No, they aren't. They flew away. So I'm going to cross them out to show that they are not there anymore. I'm going to cross out two. How many birds are still sitting on the branch? So after these two flew away, how many are left? There are four birds left. But we're not done yet. We still have to write our story problem. So you said the answer was 4, not our story problem, our number sentence or equation. So there were 4 birds left, right? Right. But now we have to go back and tell that story using a number sentence to tell our story. So how many birds were there at the beginning of our story? 6. And then 2 flew away. So am I going to use the plus sign or the minus sign? Which sign means that the birds flew away, that they are gone, they're not there anymore? We're going to use the takeaway sign, which is just a little line, right? 6, takeaway. How many birds did I take away? How many flew away? 2 of them flew away. Then I always have my equal sign. I had 6, 2 were taken away, or 2 flew away, and I had 4 left over. So that is how we do takeaway word problems. Let me stop sharing my screen. That is how we do takeaway word problems. I'm going to post an activity, and it's going to be 3 story problems that you can do by yourself. See if you can come up with a picture to show the story, and then also a number sentence. Remember, minus means takeaway. There's also a fun video, which is kind of like a song that's really fun that you guys will like, that I am going to put in the folder as well. Thank you guys very much. See you again soon.